We are back, and today we are installing the differential. Well, kind of. We're going to try it on, try the wheels on, stuff like that. Ooh, a little close.
It's going on. It's enough already. It's time to go on.
We're going to try and get it on. Nate's looking for mice.
It's exciting stuff.
Let's get to work. What'd you find there?
We're just ruining somebody's home. Somebody's carefully constructed home. I believe it's the inside of your seat. How does that make you feel?
Mice?
In my RX7.
I like that you're digging in the hole with your finger, but the mouse is concerning. You need to find the mouse and eliminate it.
Alright.
Just make sure it doesn't bite you. We're now taking the rear tires off. We're going to head in and get some of this off. Now, probably the most exciting thing, or one of, is the no longer need of these.
For now.
Well,
Presumably.
if this is just crap and doesn't work out, then we're going to put it back together.
No. At that point, I set the car on fire. Roll it into the woods.
I can't. I've done too much.
Think of the video, though. Tragic end to the RX7 build. I don't know what happened. It just burst into flames spontaneously.
It would be 30 minutes of the best footage, and then it'd be over.
Spontaneous automotive combustion. Through the magic of editing, the wheel's right off.
Let's hope this is the last time we have to see these again. P.S. I will put a link in the description where you can find these for sale. I think there's a hole right here.
Well, you can't see because it's nice and insulated, though.
It's not insulated. This is undercoating.
I know what it is.
But seriously, I think there's a hole right
Okay, don't worry about it. Let's just worry about the rear end.
Right. That's what we came here to do.
That's right. I've only been waiting for this for the past year and a half. Oh, my version of the car isn't the cool one. How can I make it the cool one? I'll start looking on Kijiji for the cool ones. Oh, I found a cool one. Let's go get it. From some junkyard in the woods.
Yeah.
That you almost got scammed from.
I didn't get scammed.
Almost. There's concern.
There was a little bit of concern. So we have the emergency brake cables we're also replacing.
Mm-hmm.
This will be new. The drum brake ones are impossible to find.
Oh.
I was unable to find them.
Hold on. I wasn't recording. No, I'm just kidding.
Ah! But look how nice this frame is here. Look at that. 1982. Dang.
Okay, back to focusing.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
don't make.
Hey, let's go.
Here we have the underbelly. Again, everything covered in oil. It's fantastic. Some quick gander down here. Oh my goodness.
Would you just look at it?
Just look at that. She's solid.
Good thing you're pulling it out.
A good thing.
But this is the advertising for when you put it on sale, right?
The differential?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna sell this for what, like $100 you said?
Oh yeah. Cheap.
About the same price as the transmission.
Probably, yep. It's worth about the same. So we're going to move on here and take off this drive shaft because we also have a new one of those. And it does seem to have a little bit of a leak at the front there, which shouldn't be a problem. I'm really admiring the condition of this underbelly. It's quite nice. It sucks they're going to get filthy, but it's good. Let's go.
I told him when he wasn't here, I thought maybe give him time to process the anger. Maybe grip the shirt at home instead of here.
May I have a hammer, please? Don't drop it on my face.
It's good advice.
Ball peen.
Was it under the creeper?
No. The bolt was just never there. Oh. Can I flathead screwdriver, please? A small one?
Oh, a small one.
Like,
Oh, wrong jar. Like how small?
oh.
Like a watch-sized one?
Bring me a flathead up.
Here, wait. Small one, right?
That's small.
Here. He's gonna use it. Oh my god, he's going to do it.
I see a little crack. I'm just gonna pry it through. There she goes. I don't know if you can see. And that way, probably not.
Oh, we can see it all.
You can see all that down there?
Oh yeah.
So down there is the transmission. Okay. Again, we're doing this all on the ground because this is DIY, man.
That's how it's done.
You just give her a little snug tug. And you just, remove it
Yeah.
from its mother.
Yeah. And you just sit here and watch your old pal struggle. Because it makes better camera footage.
No, it's just paper stuck in a bolt. It's no big deal.
Yeah. No, you got it. I'm fully confident.
Yeah, I got it.
Right on.
Don't worry, I got it. Okay. Step 1. Done. Where's the ratchet?
That was step 1. What was
Where's the
It's stuck on the creeper.
There it is. That worked.
Willy-nilly. You can't believe you even said that to me. I come some sort of hillbilly. Willy-nilly hillbilly. Oh yeah, look at that drain.
Willy-nilly.
Look at that drain. Smell that.
It smells pretty good.
No, it's a terrible smelling smell.
Can't wait.
Shouldn't it be an anti-sway bar? Because it prevents
Maybe they
sway?
call it that in over in Britain.
Hmm.
Anti-sway bar. No?
I don't know.
Or how would they say in British?
English, you mean?
English. Okay.
No, I see it smells. I can smell it.
Oh, it smells like differential fluid, but it's just not as smelly as it could be.
It's still... I don't care for the smell.
Well, no one has to.
Like and subscribe if you hate the smell of differential fluid. If you do like the smell of it, just go ahead and unfollow right now. Would you like a tool to get going there? Or?
I'm just looking around.
No.
Oh my god, look at I have to get in
There's
here.
your clunk, man. You found it. Clunk, clunk.
Why do you no. Look at this. How am I going to get in there to work on this? Oh.
Wow, that's a lot of oil in there.
That's so nice. You gave me the worst cutters known to man.
Oh my god, I'll get you some more then.
Oh, never mind. I got it, okay.
I knew you could. I had full confidence in you.
Oh, brake fluid on it? Or did I just pinch it off real nice?
No, brake fluid was, that came as an option, I think, on the 86.
86.
It came as an option after 86. Okay, I think she's ready to start taking these suspension parts off, and I think we'll be on our way.
Are you getting what I'm doing here?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Bolt here. On either side. This trailing arm comes off. We connect here as well. The shock. And the upper arm as well.
Uh-huh.
So we're going to go ahead and take this off.
Interesting technique.
If you recall, on the other car, this also seized a little bit in the parts car. And the problem was,
Happy journeys, friend.
I couldn't get this out, remember? And we mashed this all
Oh, I remember all the
get-
mashing.
to get it apart. These bolts are in really good shape.
I'm really happy to hear that.
Yeah. I was going to refinish them all, but
No need, they're pristine.
I'm thinking I might just, yeah, look at that.
Ah, it's beauty. Don't take that oil off, that's what saved them.
Yeah.
It'd be easier if you got off the creeper.
Need a bigger wrench.
You should do the 2-wrench thing together.
I'm going to do the 2 wrench thing.
I love it when he does that. Watch your face.
My face is what makes these YouTube videos happen.
Boing.
Got a little problem here, it's a little loose. Right now we're going in for a watch linkage. In case anybody's wondering, the bolts here are 21 millimeter. These are 17 millimeter.
Nobody was wondering.
I mean, I thought so.
If you were wondering, go ahead and just unfollow now.
And this is what it takes.
Look at that high quality equipment. What is that? Whoa. Is that a genuine thigh? I think it is.
It's a GearBest brand with the Samsung phone charger, which keeps it going because the batteries are dead. There's a plug back here somewhere.
And we're back. All right, it's moving. We've jacked it out quite a bit now.
So there's 2 nuts on top,
There is.
14 millimeters each.
Just in case you were wondering at home.
If you were wondering at home what size that bolt was, hit the subscribe button.
And comment below.
And comment. The camera makes this look all rusty, but I can assure you it's not. That was the last bolt.
That was the last bolt. I mean, it was a nut, really.
Nut. Right. You're a nut. Metal bolts out of gloves. I need to get some more gloves.
Hey, look at that.
If anybody wants to send us more gloves, we use them a lot.
We'll showcase them on this channel.
Showcase your gloves on the channel.
You can pretty much guarantee it will bring you no extra sales.
You're just looking for someone to use your gloves? We're the guys to use your gloves.
I think you'd be able to write it off as a charitable donation.
Half the episodes are fueled by A&W and the Papa Burger.
The other half by the farts they create.
And a small smidge of that is Tim Hortons coffee. As you can see, we've got a bit of an alignment problem.
That's what that clunk was.
I think so. I still don't know what that clunk was.
Well, doesn't matter. You're replacing every piece of suspension, and then everything will be polyurethane, and everything will be vibrating and making so much noise and sounds you won't even be able to tell if they're still clunk.
Nice. So the plan is to drop it, move it somewhere.
That's right. Breathe it in.
2 years, Nate. 2 years. Coming out of the car. Let's just get rid of these before they fall. We shall remove this one as well.
Hey, Jay.
Yep. Hi.
Look down.
Where? Hi.
Yeah, we're gonna wheel this bad boy out of here.
Yeah.
Can it come down any lower?
What if I should have took these shocks off?
Well, yeah, I'm thinking maybe.
Those bend down shocks?
Yeah.
Ah.
You're ruining my audio!
Okay. So it's down and out. That side out.
Yeah, it's out.
Right. I just
Wheel me.
clears the.
You're gonna have to put this camera down.
Yep. That shit will get it right up the front.
Now I got this hunk of junk.
It's quite the hunk of junk. I have a few more.
Somebody did a really shoddy job of sealing it here.
Oh,
So smiley.
get a load of the smiles. Look at that. Just look at that. I cannot believe the shape this thing is in. Look at this.
I just can't believe it. I can't believe it's not butter.
I'm trying to talk sense here.
Oh, Jay, okay, take two. I'm just, listen,
Listen.
smile. We're having fun.
Listen, take that off. What? You can't pull on it like that.
Why not?
It's not going to come off that way. You got to take the nuts
Oh,
off.
I know. It's fun. It's springy.
Listen, you want something springy.
I was looking underneath the car. It's a perfect handle for me.
Right. Emergency brake cables there. All that linkage will be taken off and replaced to go on to new disc brakes. But we're going to do that in another video as well, because today we just want to test fit these new wheels. Born ready.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. Okay. And that's how you...
Take off trailing arm.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
What everyone doesn't know is we're making this car four-wheel drive. What? Here we have the GS rear end. Drum brakes, straight arms, the shocks. Mounting looks and appears to be correct. However, this little doodad, I don't think that'll be an issue. Looks to be
that's your snake that you're saying.
straight on actually. Here and here.
Yeah.
So that's good. That's straight here and here. There's some nice holes here.
Yeah, can you tell me the technical reason for the sway here?
Technical sway?
Yeah, why does it sway and then sway back? Was it just for the brake line spacing? What's that for?
Yes. See this brake line? It's just to make sure that the brake line gets in.
It doesn't sound believable.
No, it's probably not right. We are now putting this on the car. Are you excited? I'm asking YouTube. Are you excited? hit like and subscribe if you are excited.
Or unfollow.
Or unfollow if you don't like his negativity. So here we have the front stuff, yeah, and the rear link bars. We're going to put these on. We're going to review the footage because I don't know which way it's supposed to go on. I believe away from the wheels, but we'll double check that. I don't know. I just work here.
Are you reusing those parts?
These?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, thank God. I almost freaked
This
out.
turns into this.
Wow, what do you got there, Jay?
This is an 85 SE rear link arm.
Oh, stock?
Stock. However,
There's more.
there's more. I think they're the same size.
Well, they better be.
We should get the caliper gauge out and verify.
Yeah. We'll make it fit.
Okay. We have polyurethane bushings.
Polyurethane.
Careful. Don't
Oh,
get your
it's so-
fingers
so
in there. Don't-
sticky.
You just got it dirty.
Ah, look at that.
Don't get your hands out of here. There's not even a lick of dirt going on this car.
There is now. Wow, I cannot wait to see how much noise that makes.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
I guess I wouldn't see how much noise it makes, I would just hear it.
Yeah, but
I'll see the look on passerbys' faces as your car squeaks by. Don't forget to grease it this time, eh?
they're already greased. If you cannot see the grease already,
Thank
I was
God for that.
basically eating it once I finished the job. Let's get them on! I don't get any dirt on any of this.
It's gonna get dirty when you drive with it.
No, it's not going to get dirty. I'm not going to let it get dirty.
Oh, this guy, man. This guy drives me crazy. Just put it on the car.
I'm trying, but you won't let me. First, suspension piece on. Was there a lock nut on this?
I think it goes the other way.
What? No, the wheel sticks out here.
But-
The spring's right there.
Yeah, so can we acknowledge that I am actually, for once, correct?
No.
Not on camera, anyways.
Not on camera.
That was some primo eyeballing.
Caviar
Whoa.
shocks. And they're blue. I will probably take these off and paint them at one point because I'm just retarded. Sorry, I can't say that. I am
No. Retarded.
I'm retarded. Okay, we have some Tokiko blue rear shocks. They seem to be okay. I actually haven't squished them in yet. So I probably should have did one.
So maybe your other ones are better.
They're good.
You hear that?
And we'll just continue. And once I get that side on, we're going to lift this off, put it on the jack, wheel it in, put some stuff on it, put the shocks on, put the wheels on, drop it down. Let's go.
Wow.
Tight. Now, we're going to put this on here, slide it underneath. Still a few things to do. I'm going to be taking them back apart. The springs, I've only sandblasted one spring. Again, I was going to outsource the sandblasting. However, that little box was $300 to sandblast. So instead, I'm going to spend many hours, costing me well over $300 in time. And
That really depends on how you value your time.
I'm quite expensive. So, as mentioned before, we have some cut springs on the back here.
That's right.
I'm expecting a 4.5-inch drop.
4.5 inch.
Just kidding. The stock spring is about yay high. This should be just fine. I'm also looking for some kind of rubberized coating maybe to paint these with so it doesn't crack upon impact through. So, you'll see in the video, one has been sandblasted, one is not. Don't be alarmed. It will be taken back apart and painted.
You hear? Don't hit smash that unfollow button yet. It will get painted.
It will. So we're gonna break now, and I need some help. Hey.
I got this. You can steer.
Okay, big bolt.
Oh, mine's there, man.
Your side then?
Yeah.
So nice when you put new parts on. I've been waiting for this day forever.
I can tell by your erection.
My reaction? Yeah. Is there a hole in my shirt?
No.
So these will go on. Look at this! Oh my god!
Just look at it.
I think Mike would be impressed.
The alarm?
No. Magic Mike.
Yeah.
I'm glad you think this is funny. I don't find me that funny.
No, I think you will when you're watching through this video. Then randomly you get a super close-up shot of your ear.
Come and have a look at this.
I'm having a look-see.
Come and have a look at this. Can you believe that? Months of hard work.
Wow. Where's the sway bar?
Oh god. Sway bar is bent. No sway bar today.
Oh, you can get right in there.
Alright.
Wow.
Some of you on Instagram have seen already. We have new wheels.
Wow.
They're a little scratched.
You can't pick it up on the camera. Don't worry about it.
Okay. So these will be refinished eventually, but for now, this is 4x114. The 85 is 4x114. The 82, currently, with the plus wheels, are 4x110. We have cut springs in the back. We're going to put these on. Jack it up. This is the first time it'll be on these wheels.
Pretty
These
exciting.
It's very exciting. I'm exhausted. My cameraman's exhausted as well. Thank you, Nate, for sticking it out. And so these are these are a 15x7 plus 38.
Doesn't matter. Just throw them on the car. Let's see it.
It matters. People want to know.
Mm.
If you want to know what tires are on this car, oh, I can't see through them. Also, no center caps.
Yeah,
These are-
we'll figure that out later.
Yeah. We're going to put one lug nut on because I live dangerously.
Maybe put two.
I'm going to put one on the other side. I only have two. NK
Enki?
NK92s. Official. Despite the...
Are those two-part rims there? The two-piece?
These are not a two-piece. These are a one-piece.
Mm.
I want to be twisting...
Hey, you almost could use some wider rims on there, right?
Well...
Maybe in the future? Well, let's see how it looks with this drop, actually.
Am I going backwards?
Yeah.
Am I going forwards?
Yeah.
LSD! Let me just move these safety tires out of the way.
Very safe.
LSD. We'll see. Hopefully they'll drip transmission fluid all over the place. Keep in mind, my emergency brake doesn't work.
That's true too, eh? Yeah.
Look at it roll though.
There's not much there. But I think cutting out the fender and putting flares on would be a great addition to the Robley channel.
If you think I should put flares on it, go ahead and unfollow.
Didn't you already buy flares?
Yeah.
Hey, you know what though? Nah, it's good.
What's the front's down too?
I like the drop. Are you gonna paint the rims or leave them gold like that?
I'm gonna leave them gold for now, but
I'm not crazy about them.
you don't like it? Classic.
No, I know. It's just me.
So, there you have it. It is on wheels now.
Actually, you know what? The drop totally changes the look of the car. Completely. I like the drop. It's a pretty big drop though.
Yeah.
Like, that's more than 2 inches.
I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I drop the front as low? Should I not drop it at all?
No, they don't know what they're talking about. Drop it.
It's dropped. There's not much I can do about it now. I'm just gonna have to make sure I'm not gonna scrape on anything, I guess. But
I'm curious to see the front when you turn the wheel.
with the front lip. Oh, and turn the wheel with that in there.
Well, that front lip is gonna be so low. Right on.
And it's fiberglass. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. We're going to clean up here and go home. Next up, we'll continue on the front end. Put these tires on too.
Maybe even an e-brake.
Maybe a knee brake. Maybe we should probably do that first so we can stop it from rolling everywhere. Or just hook it up to the transmission. That'd probably be,
At least what you had before.
yeah, that's fine before. Yeah, really excited. Take care.